Good morning for those tuning in on YouTube. Welcome to another live session. Tuesday, August 26th, here at the Liquid Levy Discord. A little hair in my mouth. We just got 8:30 durable goods news. It didn't do shit. And now we are going to wait some more for what's likely looking like price will get up into here, sweep the Asia session high, and I would love a short out of this bearish gap. However, we do have the SMT, the other outcome here with the LRLR here and the manipulation down to sell side is that we are going to come out of this completely and pump and take these highs. I don't know if that's going to happen just yet. This isn't a whole. It actually is a lot of LRLR. It happened all afternoon, 12 p.m. to 4. And then we dumped a lot. So price will want to come back up into this. These highs are going to want to get taken. This is very linear. Very linear. See that? So some of these highs are going to get run. Today, I don't know. But yeah. May not be today because again, this is onto the 4-hour here, all of this trend line here, and we're kind of holding it. So we may just continue on down and then pump off the open. I hope this isn't the start of a correction for the fall. I hope the correction is still coming. Correction to be in like September or October. This was only a couple weeks ago. So maybe at some point we do come up here retrace. This wasn't really a massive dump like what this one was. So maybe we do retrace this. New all-time highs. Bitcoin can hit the 125, high 120s, 128, and then it dumps. Everything must fall. Everything must go. There'll be a big flash sale at some point in the next couple months. out, Bruce. All right, I'm gonna let Bruce out. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Let's go, Bruce. Let's put the news on.
discuss. So right now, the Russians are saying that from their vantage point, Vladimir Putin is ready to meet with Volodymyr Zelensky. It certainly doesn't appear from the Russians that all of that is in the cards at any time soon, or possibly any time soon. The next thing on Vladimir Putin's agenda is, of course, his big trip to China that he's going to be holding at the end of this week, where he's going to meet with Xi Jinping. The relations between Russia and China, of course, very important. And one of the things that we've seen the Russians do in the run-up to that big visit by Vladimir Putin in China is that the Speaker of Russian Parliament, Vyacheslav Volodin, is already on the ground in China, meeting with senior Chinese officials, including Xi Jinping, and saying that those bilateral relations, if anything, are going to become even more important than before. What we can see right now is China and Russia moving closer together, also in the face, of course, of pressure from the Trump administration.
Frank Blackman, thank you so much. Appreciate it. And joining me now, Admiral James Stavridis, former NATO Supreme Allied Commander and partner of the Carlyle Group, an international investment firm. Thank you so much for joining us to talk about this very important subject. Let's start here. 2 weeks. We've heard that threat before without any action, and Trump's latest threat to Putin comes nearly 2 weeks after he promised, quote, very severe consequences if Putin did not agree to end the war at the Alaska summit. So, from your perspective, Admiral, how does Putin see it? Putin sees that he can continue to play kind of rope-a-dope with the president. And, I'll make the cheapest pun in the world here and say that President Trump has all the Trump cards if we were playing bridge. And I think it's time for President Trump to start actively deploying those. Look, the last 2 weeks in August are typically slower in the international system. So I, for one, am waiting for Labor Day and seeing President Trump starts to play some of the Trump cards he's holding. And I'll give you 3 that are top of mind for me, Andy. Number 1, financial. Secondary sanctions on those who purchase Russian oil. Hit Putin where it hurts, his economy. Number 2, military. Fred mentioned it a moment ago. Let's get serious about putting Western troops into Ukraine. Make them trainers, advisors. Don't have to be American boots on the ground, but show that plan to Putin. There's a military component. And then third, politically, we talked right after the summit President Trump did with a lot of European leaders about the idea of giving diplomatic security guarantees, NATO light. An attack on one, an attack on all, Article 5 light. I think it's time to roll those 3 Trump cards out and start playing them, because until you do, Putin is not as serious or time to negotiate. Well, to that point, Trump continues to express optimism that this Zelensky one-on-one would still happen. Do you think, though, even with 3 of those steps, do you think Putin ever will meet Zelensky one-on-one?
I do. Once Putin is convinced that he is generationally damaging his country. He's not convinced of that yet because we haven't applied the highest level of pain to him. We need to do that. If we do that, then the walls start to close in on Vladimir Putin. And you remember that Putin has already lost 1 million young Russian men. He's got a population of 150 million, call it 75 million men. 1 million either killed, badly wounded, left the country to avoid the
in the world. They spend more collectively on defense than Russia, significantly more. So Europe has cards. I think that light is going on. Look for talks coming out of the summer of how the Europeans don't put pressure on Vladimir Putin. That's what needs to happen next.
Admiral James Stavridis, thank you so much as always for your insight. Appreciate you. John?
Are happening now. Florida's Attorney General is taking new steps after a deadly crash on the Florida Turnpike earlier this month. 3 people were killed when investigators say a truck driver who was in the U.S. illegally made an improper U-turn. Now the state is turning all agricultural inspection stations into federal immigration checkpoints. The state's Attorney General
What up?
also target unsafe
Morning, everybody.
fraudulent
How we doing?
drivers who
How we doing? How we doing?
efficiency requirements. He's also pressing the federal government to pull trucking license authority and funding from states, including
Already gave my daily bias. It's in the index commentary section. There's still a high time frame draw down here. We have room in the 10 a.m. Friday bullish gap from Jerome Powell, especially on ES. I think we're going to probably pump up off open and take out some buy side IRL. Problem is we have some LRLR here, these stacked highs, very linear, especially on like the 5 minute. Super linear. We might have to run some of these highs as well. So it may really look like a false pump for a minute off open. And then we manipulate that the inversion happens up here from previous day high. We may take out that. But again, I would look for a short within here. As soon as we cross this line, I wouldn't be surprised if we come and take some of these highs. But I believe the move is ultimately to come down here, maybe take the 930 low here that also has a bullish gap. But this may just be the pump coming out of that recovery. And we may be going back to all-time highs on our journey. This could have just been one step. All right, because Jerome hinted at rate cuts potentially. And we have 42 minutes, 41 minutes, 10 seconds until market open. Really wasn't any A++ setup except for you could have taken like a small short. There was a bearish SMT here. Could have scalped a little short, but I don't go for those type of plays. So we're just gonna see if anything major gets swept pre-market. If not, we'll wait for some kind of manipulation leg or that Judas swing again. That's what it's looking like. Getting Solana. All the crypto is going to correct with the market correction. If we're not already correcting this dumping stuff, then like I said, September, October, we're due for like a nice 15% or so, 10% correction. It'll dump a little bit. It could go way more. Bitcoin is due for the the major correction. It's about to hit 125. It was hundreds of dollars away from 125, and it's all stacking up pretty in line with hitting that all-time high. People, big whales of Bitcoin needing to trim some profits finally at 125. There's a lot of talk around 125. I've been saying 125 for like a couple years now. Little bullish SMT here. Little one. I don't just look at any low and just say like, oh, NQ swept it, ES did, and that's an SMT. For me, it's more what's really important are like these highs, the swing highs. When this one takes Asia and then this one doesn't, right? That's a big SMT. Okay, this was a big SMT from yesterday. Remember this? If you weren't here yesterday, see the descending trend line, see the ascending trend line. These are the same wicks on the same time frames at the same point in time. ES swept buy side. It had just by points. See, the wick just went above London. See? It just wicked above London. and then NQ didn't, but remained bearish. So that's your bearish SMT. That was the great setup from yesterday. There wasn't really a good, and no, there was a good entry. There was a 1 minute. Just go over this real quick. There was a 1 minute entry on ES. There was your 480 entry. Oh my God, 483, 2.5 point stop. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna be looking out for some of this stuff today. We're not missing it. We're not missing it.
New this morning, we could
We were just talking again on the news about Cracker Barrel, the restaurant, the marketing. They got rid of the guy. Like the logo got rebranded, and there's a big fuss about it. Who gives a shit about Cracker Barrel? Has anyone been there in the last 10 years? Can anyone count the last time they've been there or the amount of times they've been there? I've been there maybe once in my life. Fucking Cracker Barrel. Do people really care about Cracker Barrel that much? How about Aunt Jemima? I use that a hell of a lot more. She went. They got rid of her. She was great. Uncle Ben Rice. I used that a lot more than Cracker Barrel. It wasn't on the news as much as they've been spending an hour today and yesterday just about Cracker Barrel. Is it actually fire? I don't know if they have them in Boston area. They have like 99, like those chains. I don't think I've seen a Cracker Barrel. I've seen they were in Connecticut. up north and west or south. Just not Boston. Just avoided Boston. They're north or south. When I got seated, I was just getting the stares while I eat.
That would be a major development. What about side effects similar to the injectables?
Like the staff are just staring at you, or just other people? Everyone's just looking at each other. They're a little racist. Isn't everybody? Let's be honest. Isn't everybody? Every single person is, because it's natural to be like, oh, this is different than me, right? I'm not being racist right now. I'm just saying, like, I think everyone, like, tell me one black person that hasn't said the word cracker, or one white person that has never thrown out the N word. You're looking at a liar. All right, like we've all done it. If I'm racist, it's against China. That's all, because they will take over the world. They will. They will. Even there won't be a United States in another 100 or 200 years. If there's an Earth by then, it'll be the Republic of China. They're playing the long game. You guys don't realize China's just going to win. Numbers, tech, everything they're winning. Their people's loyalty to their country is better than ours. They're also just shaded. They have the horse blinds on. So, like, with their censorship, their people don't really know as much as what's going on in the outside world, and they're just devoted to China. Like, I have Asian friends, believe me. I'm not racist. I have black friends. I have gay friends. I got all friends of all colors, shapes, sizes. But actual, like, Xi Jinping, piece of shit. Him and Putin, pieces of shit. Well, Putin, he's not. He's a pretty bad guy. But I think Xi Jinping, Kim Jong Un, those guys are pure evil. I feel like if you go to North Korea, it's in black and white when you get there. It's not just the videos. You get there and it's like, oh my god, they lack color. It's just it's so depressing here. All right, so we got a break in structure from this. We're probably going to run some of these highs. We got equal highs here. We had a nice wick. This was a bullish SMT. It's not a strong bullish SMT, but you can see how this low here, it wasn't taken out. This same low was absolutely swept on NQ. I know the core of China hates America, the core, but we also rely on them so much for manufacturing. We still do, until Tim Cook, he made like the $100 billion decision. I don't know if they struck ground yet and stuff, but iPhones are going to be made in China for a while, if not forever. What happened? What did I do? Because, again, if they're made in North America, if we start making US-made iPhones, guys, GG. You'll be getting a new iPhone every like 5 years, like your laptop or something. It just will be it'll be too expensive. The iPhone will be like $5,000 to $7,000. And
This morning, the clash over Chicago. Governor J.B. Pritzker telling President Trump, quote, do not come here. The president suggested Chicago could be the next American city to see National Guard troops patrolling its streets. And now the president has signed an executive order that could greatly expand the deployment of troops on U.S. soil. That order directs the Pentagon to create specialized rapid response units equipped to deal with, quote, public order issues. The president has always sent National Guard troops into Washington, D.C., some of them without carrying weapons on patrol. And officials have told CNN that the Trump administration has been planning for weeks to send the National Guard to Chicago. Now, while violent crime certainly exists in Chicago, police stats show a 23% drop from this time last year. And the idea that the president might send troops
did over his wishes and Governor Pritzker to issue this.
28 minutes to market open.
Mr. President, do not come to Chicago. You are neither wanted here nor needed here.
CNN's Elena Tree joins us now from the White House. The president really does seem like he's gearing up to send National Guard troops into Chicago, whether the governor likes it or not.
Oh, absolutely. And he said that now, Danny, pretty publicly, that any was to move in and try to send some of National Guard troops, but also a surge of federal law enforcement officials to Chicago, it would likely be without the governor's approval. And of course, this is just another example of the president testing the balance of his executive authority. And I know from my conversations with people here at the White House that these are waters that he's willing to test. And if he believes that this is a subject that the American people believe in, he's obviously tried to paint himself repeatedly, both on the campaign trail but now in office, as a law and order president who believes that this issue is one that he is winning on. I know when I talk to my sources here at the White House, they say that he's relevant in these images of National Guard troops and federal agents in the streets of Washington, D.C., and that he's likely to try and ramp this up further by sending them out to other cities. But he's also found a political foe now in the Illinois governor, J.B. Pritzker. Just as much as the president sees this as good politics for himself, the governor also is using this as a potential political point to really have this standoff with the president. I know that Pritzker, of course, is also the 2028 Democratic presidential hopeful. But I want you to listen to what both of them have said now about the other, kind of trading barbs to criticize their opponents.
I have some slob like Pritzker criticizing us before we even go in. I made the statement that next year may Chicago is, as you all know, Chicago is a killing field. Your remarks about this effort over the last several weeks have betrayed a continuing slip in your mental faculties and are not fit for the auspicious office that you occupy.
But Danny, as you can hear clearly, they're leaning in heavily into this rhetoric. But it's one fight that is likely to only escalate further as we see the president kind of make plans, and we've reported that the Trump administration has been making plans to send federal law enforcement to Pritzker's city.
Elena, just before you go, can you tell us a little bit more about what we know about the executive order establishing this specialized unit of the National Guard?
Yeah, I look at that as the clearest sign yet, Danny, that the president's very serious about wanting to use what he is doing in Washington, D.C. as a model for other cities. And not just for Chicago. He has mentioned potentially wanting to do something similar with Los Angeles, with New York, with Oakland. I mean, tons of cities that he
Chat, what do we think about this girl?
are what you call
First date material or no?
to crime. I also know that, of course,
Haven't touched a blonde in a minute.
have been
Kind of wanted to. She's 20 something miles away though. That's the only downside. A little far. How do we feel? Oop, that's too bright. She might be chunky. She might be. I don't know. That looks pretty thin.
Ramping up these efforts and trying to bring them beyond DC rather than rein it in after kind of what he's seen as a test case
A little dark.
for this type of operation.
Elena Tree from the White House, thank you so much.
She's 5'8" though.
This morning, a Republican
I don't like tall.
committee is
That's kinda
investigating
tall.
whether Washington, D.C.
I like
police
5.
manipulated crime data to make race
4'11".
lower.
I like to be able to
Officials in Washington
give a nice
Trump
light
administration
toss,
have
just
ideas
throw
on
her.
state crime narrative that justifies this federal crackdown.
That's just a small toss.
In Washington, who's covered so much on this for us. What are you learning this morning, Ryan?
Right. This is another escalation in this continuing political battle between the Trump administration and the Washington, D.C. government over crime in this city. This is the second investigation announced into alleged manipulation of D.C. crime stats. You'll recall the first one was last week when the Justice Department announced its own investigation into whether crime statistics in the district were manipulated or not. This time it was the Republican-led House Oversight Committee announcing its own investigation. Now, the letter yesterday to D.C. Police Commissioner Pamela Smith from the House Oversight Committee Chairman James Comer. The committee asks for these things. Quote, all
lot of surveillance in Australia.
All communications related to weekly district commander meetings, including but not limited to
Yeah, finish all of it, yeah.
minutes. Now, in addition to that, the committee is also asking for Chief Smith to make all 7 police district commanders in the city available for interviews by the House Oversight Committee.
All right, maybe we won't go on a date. I'll just have her come over.
And October 20th.
Get over here.
All of these investigations, these 2 investigations we're talking about, this House one just announced and the DOJ one announced last week, they all come after reports that a now former DC police commander was placed on administrative leave with an allegation that the department was manipulating crime data.
Not too much. Wondering if this is going to hold down here. This was the
lower level crimes than they might have been. Now, we should say that DC officials have stressed that this is
Was that it?
former police commander being investigated regarding activity in one district of the city. They say the investigation is ongoing. DC Mayor Muriel Bowser in recent days was asked about
yeah, that's a very strange SMT, but it's a little bit more by a sell side sweep on NQ over here. Maybe it'll hold and we'll just kind of chop until market open. Then depending on what's up here, dump, pump, dump. It may just want to continue up on these highs. And we're doing a lot of wicks here, we're stacking a lot of lows here too. These want to get run eventually as well. You know, you're noticing that?
And the DC Police Department keeps putting out overall crime statistics which indicate a drop in crime over the past year. Here are the latest. Violent crime, according to the Metropolitan DC Police, down 26% compared to this time a year ago. Assault with a dangerous weapon down 20% for the same period, and robbery down 29%. So again, John, push and pull between the Trump administration and now Republicans in Congress and the DC government over crime in the city. Doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon.
No, the statistics just do not align with the messaging you were hearing from the administration. Brian Todd in Washington for us this morning. Thank you very much. Dan.
All right, Jeremy, now our CNN political commentators Paul Begala and SC Cub to talk through all of this crime back and forth affecting DC, Chicago. Let's start here, Paul, with you. Governor Pritzker said loud and clear yesterday, stay out of Chicago. But can Pritzker, or frankly any Democrats in other cities that might be targeted here, can they do anything to stop the president from sending the National Guard?
Well, it's unlikely. The president has the authority. It's just we've never seen anybody abuse it like this. And this is what I think Linus reporting is right. He's trying to push the envelope as far as he can. You know, on Friday night, Bill Maher called this a slow-moving coup, in the way sometimes comedians can see things more clearly than journalists, frankly. I would quibble with Bill.
Oh, that's terrible. In Australia, they do that.
217 days into this presidency. Look what he's doing. He's occupying the national capital with armed troops. On the military front. He's fired 11 top admirals and generals and replaced them. He fired the top judge advocate generals, the top lawyers in the Pentagon. His defense secretary, saying the quiet part out loud, said, we don't want them to be a roadblock to anything. Look what he's doing to the press. He's suing, he's threatening, he has used his powers over mergers to gain advantage. He's intimidating. Look what he's doing in the justice system. The FBI is raiding the home of one of his chief critics. We see him intimidating judges that he doesn't like. Look what he's doing on the economy. Taking a huge stake in private corporations like Intel. That's called socialism. Demanding 15% of all the sales that NVIDIA and AMD have in China with their chips. That's a slow-moving federal takeover of our economy. He's attacking universities, law firms, including law, the press, and now he's sending troops into our capital. So I do think that this is a floor on fire for our economy.
SC, you know, it was interesting. 2 weeks ago, we saw Governor Newsom kind of take the mantle for the Democratic resistance to Trump right on the redistricting front. Yesterday, we saw J.B. Pritzker really.
I wouldn't mind a little spike though in the markets. I wouldn't mind us just to do a little manipulation like the sell side, just pump through, take out these highs, and we just keep going. Take out these highs as well today. That's possible.
Bring up the sordid topic of politics, but Paul's right about all of the bets and the authority
Let's go to the moon.
This is not good. We shouldn't want there to be militarize our towns and cities just because he can. That's all correct. But clearly, Donald Trump is winning this fight, and he continues to win because Democrats I want to oppose the percent on crime, and that's just not gonna work. We have American voters. We learned in 2024 that the electorate did not buy what the Democrats were selling. They didn't feel like the economy was good. They didn't think immigration was under control. They didn't think crime was down. Now you can lament the fact that politics is perception, but do Democrats want to win again? Because that's the game, and Donald Trump gets them playing that game for better or worse. And if the net effect of all of this tyranny is that people feel safer in their cities and towns, then Republicans and Donald Trump are going to win on this issue, and Democrats will be able to say, I stood up to the president on crime. I don't think that's a winning argument coming into this.
Well, I mean, Paul, what do you think about that? Do you think that Democrats are taking the bait here and are talking about this incorrectly? Because J.D. Pritzker focused on, again, fighting against this overreach and against dictator-like behavior. But do you think they're missing the point?
Well, he's the governor of a state, and he has got to assert his constitutional obligations to defend that state. But I think that's his political exclusion. What Democrats ought to say is, first, the only thing Donald Trump knows about crime is committing it. He's a convicted felon. Second, he released the violent felons who attacked our hero cops in Washington, D.C. on January 6th. He released the animals who tased Michael Fanone, a hero D.C. cop, 20-year cop. By the way, I know Mike, they voted for Trump. They tased him until he had a heart attack. We had 4 or 5 officers ultimately lose their lives because of that. He released them. So he isn't going to live smart about it. If I were there, I would demand, look, if you want to help us, we can get some help. The time is now. Here's what we need. We need you, Mr. President, to enforce the gun laws on the books and maybe pass a few tougher ones. 60% of all the guns used in crime in Chicago come from out of state. Now, the governor of the state can't stop that, but the president of the United States can. So enforce the gun laws, maybe pass a few more to keep these guns out of the hands of these gangsters. But also, why is Trump cutting law enforcement? What he calls a big beautiful bill. That's $820 million out of crime prevention. This is stuff passed by Republican presidents, Democratic presidents, Republican Congress, Democratic Congress. It's why crime is down. Because more cops, community policing, fewer guns in the hands of gangsters. That works. I think Democrats should say that, and they should. Essie is absolutely right. Democrats need to explain that they are the actual folks who are tough on crime, who are making crime rate go down.
I guess, Essie, is it easy to, or easy is the wrong word, is it more palatable to have the conversation in good faith about how to stop crime for Democrats right up until the point that the National Guard is actually knocking on the door of your city?
This is all happening too late. I mean, if you're just an average voter, I'm not talking about MAGA diehards, people who go to rallies, just an average voter, and you don't feel like your town or your city was as safe as it was 5, 10 years ago. You don't care about statistics and numbers. That doesn't
issue that matters most is that.
Yeah, not necessarily
The issue that matters most is population.
All right, I'm back. Just making a telephone call. All right. Yeah, I think we're bound to take out these highs. I think we're going to go bullish. We just may come down off open or up, down, up. We will see in 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Oh, there's a magnet right here. A weak magnet or a strong magnet? Magnet? What the fuck is magnet mode? Weak magnet. Strong magnet. Oh, okay, that's a bad drawing to strong magnet. Oh. Oh yeah, it starts right at that price, the nearest price. That's what the magnet is. That's cool. Now my chart has hairs. Oh no, I still have the dot. Fuck. I just created a bunch of dots now. Asia low. Yeah, I think Asia low. There's a possibility we just sweep London, we deliver in here. There's a possibility. Four minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes coming up. Three minutes.
Good morning.
Hey,
Good morning.
morning, Mo.
How you guys doing?
Doing pretty well. How are you doing, man?
Surviving another day.
Very nice.
Going to take the car to the shop now.
Taking the car to the shop.
Yeah, I think my rear bushings are bad.
Well, that's not too bad, right?
Kind of.
Oh, a couple few
This is
thousands.
actually the bushing. No, hopefully less than that. The bushings are more expensive, but the labor, because they have to drop the rear subframe to
Oh,
access the bushing.
so that's like 4 hours, 6 hours.
Yeah, probably.
Of course, of course. There you go. That's a good. What is that? I don't know. $700, $800.
Um, yeah, in that range.
Fun, fun. I'm about to get
Yeah.
my the C class serviced. It needs an alignment. Got to repair the front right rim. It's got just a teeny bit of curb rash.
Do you know a shop that fixes that?
Yeah, there's a Goodwill repair place. They can, even with my painted yellow rim, they paint match. I guess what they do is they have a really good welder, and he adds just a little bit of metal, and then they sand it down, and then they balance it again and touch it up with the paint.
Oh, okay, gotcha. You're not planning to go aftermarket wheels?
Oh, yeah. Sometime soon I'll get some aftermarket wheels. I do. I'm interested.
These would look good on it.
I know. I know. I do want to get some aftermarket and throw some slightly wider, like some 305s on the back.
Yeah, that would look mean as fuck. Are you planning to go black as well or like chrome?
Um, honestly, I really like um almost to match the calipers and do like a gold rim or
Oh, okay.
like a coppery gold.
Hmm.
I've seen it. I like the look of that on a gray or black car. More gray.
Yeah, that would look good.
I'll send you this guy's profile right now. Wait a minute, not just right now. In a second. Market open. Okay, we're going opposite directions. That's fine.
One of them is liquidity sweep.
Oh, I gotta turn off equal highs on this one. I think we're bullish. The hour inversed just a little. The hour closed
Yeah, I
above
saw
it,
that.
kind of retraced, and I just hopefully this is a Judas swing, pump on pump for MQ. Although ES is just going down, so here comes the sell side. Um, as long as London,
What?
remember there's
Tripping?
10 a.m. news also. It's orange folder, but it is consumer confidence.
We already have a bearish S&P with when not getting swept.
Wait, recently, like super recent?
No, 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 no. It's from like 2 a.m. to
Okay,
like 6:40 a.m.
okay.
But again, I don't know. But like, I'd rather just see Asia higher. This buy side get swept. Actually, we have an S&P from this buy side too.
Right, there's like two SMTs.
Yeah.
All right, that's London High ES. if we're doing this kind of a pump, then I would like this short off of. Yeah, but
Exactly. That's what I'm looking forward to. We just swapped Asia High, right? NQ.
yeah.
So
But
now we have an S&P.
there's a bullish gap just above us on NQ though.
What time frame?
15.
15. Oh, you didn't want to tap into that.
I think so. Look at the stacked highs above that, the LRLR. I mean, I feel like if we're
Oh,
bullish,
you're
it may
right.
just run and take out 617.
No, you're right. You're right. Especially on ES, we have Asia High still exposed. That's a bullish reaction.
We'll get a bearish SMT if this happens. AS is
Yeah.
lagging, but it's in a bearish area too, so this could work.
I won't be surprised if we deliver from like multiple bearish SMTs if we don't get the sweep of Asia High and ES. That'll become like double confirmation, you know? At 15 minutes, also delivering from like an hourly swing high, an hourly imbalance. I really like that.
Seems to want a little bit more buy side.
Right? Say 4 hour. Yeah, the hourly is the highest. So.
I'm really tempted to take that short, but it's ass. 15 second.
I know. I don't see any entry.
Oh, the descending wicks.
Maybe this 1 minute wouldn't be
Yeah,
bad.
I'm looking at the
If
one
you
right
close
now. How
below.
big's the gap? It's 2 points though.
We forgot that wick low at 23,439.75. RR isn't bad.
Created a swing high.
Is there any higher time frame imbalance?
There's a 30-second imbalance below the 1 minute one, and we just tapped into it. Yeah, it
There's a
doesn't.
30
It
second
doesn't
wick.
want it. It doesn't want it. It wants the 15-minute high there.
Can you show me 15-second chart, Livy?
The 15-second.
Yeah. Okay. I was trying to see if there's an imbalance to invert for some longs for that 15-minute high, but there's nothing.
Yeah, Levy, we have also a 2 and 3 minute below that 1 minute. We have a 2 and 3 minute below that 1 minute.
Yeah.
So wouldn't even be like a valid A plus setup.
Nope. Oh. Oh my god. Really tempted. Really tempted now.
I know.
There's resting liquidity up there on the 15. Son of a bitch.
We also have London low and Asia low.
Yeah, have an alert down there. I just wanted to get the trade on the way to one of these sides.
The 3-minute close would be nice. If we close bearish on the 3-minute, I'll take shorts. What do you think?
Yeah, but it's going to enter the maybe the IRL sell side. Like that.
You don't like that?
No, I do like it. I think the move though is bullish though. We have a trend line. We have some stacked lows down here too. So this could just be part of a Judas swing. I still like it though. It's closing under.
Yeah. We get the change in the state. At least I want to see a move down to this swing low, you know?
It's a swing high on both charts. It's a close under on both charts. But it's a bearish SMT because NQ swept Asia and ES did London.
And enter this. We also didn't get the change in the state either.
It also actually it didn't close under on the 3 on MQ.
It didn't.
I just took a small short when I got back to the 1 minute IFVG.
The retest?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like 0.5%, nothing crazy. Yeah, clapped out.
Oh shit, there's your bullish SMT.
Order filled.
Alright, I just took that long.
Nice.
It's whack ass price action. I don't think it's gonna hold it, but we'll see. Other than this trade, I'm gonna wait for major ass liquidity to get swept.
Yeah, me too.
We didn't deliver from much. That's the only problem too.
I was really hoping for that 3-minute to close bearish, but it just wasn't enough confirmation for me. And I didn't even realize you're right. We didn't even close. Six, 7.
Judas swing?
That's what I'm thinking. But if we came all the way back up here, I want to see a tap in that 1 minute,
That's break.
or at least sweep that hourly buy side.
hold. There's some space.
No, I want to speed that by second hit. Maybe did you enter off the 30-second?
1 minute.
Oh, nice. Oh, damn near the same.
That's good. ES could still take Asia. There's still that liquidity resting above on NQ. NQ probably wants 519 or 520. What the hell?
It's like 519.75. We made it bears with some team, but not really delivering from anything.
No, it didn't take that high yet. Come on. Jesus. Hold. ES is pumping.
I got in the long
Come on.
50-minute high.
It took the.
I think we're just retesting this 1 minute imbalance before pushing higher.
Whoa.
That's crazy.
No, I'm out in a sec.
Stop filled.
I don't know why it's so goddamn loud. All right, now waiting for major liquidity. Like the buy side IRL here or sell side down here. 10 a.m. news also coming. Gonna definitely wait for that. Fuck. Wanted that. Got a bullish SMT forming.
We've got to at least take out this 30-minute swing low. Can we just sweep something? Oh, fuck. It's getting fucking edged. Finally. This 1 minute is nice. Or do you think we're going to come down and sweep?
That would be a random spot to reverse.
This spot right here?
Yeah, it's a bullish SMT.
You said it would be a random spot? Wouldn't.
It would. Aren't we just right? We didn't take London low.
Oh, we have like a 30-minute swing low.
To be honest, I don't even really look at the 30-minute.
Yeah.
Still got 8 minutes till news. Wouldn't take a trade if a gun was pointed at my head. I'll wait for consumer confidence. We're in this little zigzag range of bullshit.
Yeah.
Zigzag range of bullshit. There's the bullish SMT. I think it wants to come up and take that IRL buy side. They're 15-minute, those highs above, inside the bearish gap. I'll go long on the confirmation of that order block.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
The 1 minute.
Yep.
There's still a 3-minute imbalance above though. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Oh shit! Just went into the
Order filled.
gap. You absolute. See you next Tuesday. All right. Well, I'm going break even like immediately. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm not doing that. When that jumped into that liquidity pool like that, no,
Fuck that
just
shit.
no. Absolutely not. All right, that's it. Hands off everything. We're waiting for 10 a.m.
I'm still in the long.
You're still in the long?
I got on the 1 minute when it got 1 minute. This red candle when it pushed it after value gap, I entered.
Gotcha.
When it pushed down, yeah.
Yeah, no,
I'm break
I
even.
like it. I like it. That's why I wanted to impulsively get into this long.
We didn't. We did internal bullish SMT.
Yep, good long. It's gonna take out the IRL buy side up here.
Yeah.
You're gonna TP Mo at, or at least trim at 520.
Yeah, I'm thinking of 80%. I don't know.
Yeah, I do think these highs can get run though. There's a good chance.
You think?
Oh yeah, very very linear, all stacked highs, all stop losses resting above all these highs. No higher high after the previous.
We'll see if it didn't come back. Because with the way the price action is moving, man, and come back to my break even.
I know it's doing some bullshit. Kind of
Yeah.
wavy. That's what I'm thinking, Maddie. I don't know yet. That's why we gotta wait for the 10 a.m. The 10 a.m. could just be some like stupid candle that moves a good amount. So we're just gonna give it 2 minutes. Hopefully, the 10 a.m. candle actually pumps up and just takes the buy side IRL, just takes 520, and then we can get like a snap reaction short. Mo takes all his profits there, so there's no harm there. And then we get into a short, everybody, including Mo, and we take it all the way down. We all get like 200 points profit. We're taking max cons, like 30 cons, and we're done for the week.
You work Sunday to Saturday, right?
Damn, I wish that happened, man.
That's a dream, right? One can dream.
Yeah.
30 cons, bro.
I got my little soundboard here. I'm gonna start using it. Well, this one will really fuck you up.
Order filled.
Not a soundboard.
I can just play that.
Order filled.
Right, that's
I'm in
Order
long.
crazy.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
You got in the long?
No, that's the soundboard.
Oh, okay.
I also have ICT himself.
Horseshit!
Yeah.
How do you get these voices?
I don't know. They're just available.
Oh, fuck out of here. But just refresh my memory. This.
Well, it's been a minute since I watched a live stream from him.
Oh yeah, same here.
I love when he gets mad.
This is separate.
Talks.
Hit by side.
What another like uneventful market open really, and just like so much consolidation. No like direction again. This is just like yesterday. Well, it eventually pumped and dumped yesterday, but you know. Did you take that 1 minute short yesterday, Mo?
No, I didn't get a chance to trade yesterday.
Oh, that had your name all over it. It was an ES 1 minute short. I think there was a bearish SMT. It had just swept London high by like two points. It was, yeah. I missed it. I don't know what the fuck I was doing.
No, I wish I was too busy yesterday, man. Like, busy.
All good. Market's always here.
This bastard, I'm gonna fucking push up. Like, holy shit.
It's going to. It's just being difficult. I wanted impulsively. I wanted that long so bad when I saw it go into the 1 minute, 2 minute imbalance. I got super scared because it jumped like 5-8 points in a split second there at the candle close.
Yeah.
And I thought that was more like a liquidity grab. Was anyone else in long? Samson?
Not sure.
Yeah, definitely. Market's a little hard to read today and yesterday.
Only trade I plan on taking is at least getting the top of the 15-minute and a super buy side and try to catch a reversal off that.
All right.
Market's kind of split too right now, like almost exactly 50-50. There's no major movers. Come on, Apple. Apple's bleeding a little bit again. I hate you so much.
Bro, with the way price moving, I might just take profits up and high here. 15 minutes on.
bearish because there's so many different areas that.
Oh, I think you should just, maybe wait a sec.
I moved stop loss to profit now. So
Yes. I like it.
There it goes. There she goes. There it goes. Oh, I hope we get the reaction after that high. There's a good chance these highs are swept.
yeah, I took my stop loss and profit.
Like how I ended up.
No. It's just going to snap into this little bullish gap.
That is crazy. There we go. Push up. Up.
No delivery at all there. Just pushing.
Dude, I know. Do we create equal highs or do we sweep internal range highs on ES?
On ES, I don't see, like, just in the last few minutes.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of these little
I-
stacked equal highs, but
Yeah.
they've been tapped above. Like buy side's been tapped above that. Like 4, 5, 7.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we want to take that fucking buy-side IRL. And it's time to do it. Thank you.
Holy.
There it is. Holy fucking fuck. Okay, so that was a large move. That was a large move. That happened so fast.
Fuck Nasdaq, man.
You took profits?
It took them.
I took my stop loss and profit when it last pushed down.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
You still get some sort of profits.
Oh yes. Oh no, it didn't close under you, son of a. Oh, and there it goes. We'll go into that bullish gap. So now that's invalid. 1 minute, no gap, no dice, no dice.
You got to change the state too.
520, 30-point stop. We still have more in this gap. I mean, I like that. I will say I like this short. We swept the liquidity pool I wanted. It's just it moved too fast.
Yeah, I'm hopping in.
Are you?
Yeah.
Good. Do it.
Still need shorts.
Yep. Equal lows below.
Yep. Damn, are we in reverse?
I'll take that.
Order filled.
I'll take it.
You doing longs or shorts?
Short. Fucking deliver. That's the equal lows. This is a possible retracement. It's too much of a liquidity grab on the hourly. It wasn't a 4 hour, but all right. Tight ass stop loss, and I'm out.
Stop filled.
I'm trying some tight ass moves. That was 4 point stop, 5 point stop. I like these equal lows. I like where we swept the liquidity here. Oh, you went long, Sammy?
No, I'm in shorts still. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. There we go.
At this point, I think ES wants to take that same liquidity pool area. So wait for Asia high. And again, it may want these stacked highs up here.
Yeah.
That may get run.
People are going for Asia high on ES.
It hasn't yet. It's about to. you go off the the 30-minute close over, Samson?
Put it on 30.
No, did you? What did you take the long on?
I took it dealing from the hourly imbalance and hourly. Oh, I never entered long.
Oh, okay.
I entered shorts and I got stopped out.
Gotcha. Sorry. This closed over. This is bullish. I want to get into this.
On 30-minute.
Yeah, but the problem is that we're probably going to get like that SMT as soon as ES takes the high. I think I might just get in and then just get out when it takes it.
Yeah. We close over on 30.
The 15.
Out of the 15.
Yeah, you're right. The 30 we did.
Oh, you're right.
Might be a little retracement.
I want to take one more short after ES sweeps that high, but I'm gonna get it. Bro, ES is playing games, bro.
Yep. Yep.
Damn, bro, that NQ 5 minute is nice, but yeah, and I want to see a sweep of ESI.
Yeah.
Are we really generating liquidity to push up higher? Like, what is this?
It's all right, Maddie. I had 2 small losses. Waiting for that buy side to get hit.
Yeah, I took an L today too. It happens. Nice. We just made a bearish SMT. Alright. Yeah.
Damn.
Right? No entries on any time frame. Wow. Yeah, if we don't get the sweep, at least before 11 a.m., I think I might hop off.
Yeah.
I don't know. Market tends to be just, like 11 a.m. is kind of a cutoff time,
Yeah, you're right. I'll probably call it with you. come back for 1:30 if there is anything.
Yeah, I'll be done. Hop on the PM session. I feel like our entries today weren't bad. They just didn't execute properly, you know?
Yep. No, nothing bad. Just price didn't distribute. We didn't get any like the major liquidity sweep, and it just kind of bounced around a little.
Yeah.
I mean, that long was good though.
Are you in the shorts, Libby? Or long?
No, there's
I'm in
it's
ES short
yeah,
of
there's
the 1 minute. I hope the bearish S&P holds and we just go down from here. I don't know.
Also, I think it's because Nvidia earnings are tomorrow. Might have something to do with it. Yeah, it probably should have been a no trade day in hindsight. Kept the losses very small, but
Nah, yeah, I definitely agree. I hope nobody like overtraded today. Hope no one took like 20 trades. I was on the full part shorts. I overtraded. I took 2. Yeah, Matty, that's good. Anything under 3 is pretty good.
yep.
Man, bro. We have another bearish. We're delivering from like 2 bearish SMTs. It's actually not my rules. I lost more than I wanted. But it's also 700 right down left. What I've done is got another eval and just traded the past 2 days. Yeah. Maddie, are you trading on a live account? Like a past account? Just an eval. Got iPad if you're gonna trade mobile, it should change the game. Not very real. XFA, can you trade 3 pundits on mobile? I've been thinking about buying an iPad. Put that bitch next to the shifter on the floor. Oh, this short looks.
Shorts. I'm not in. I hate this. I hate this PA. I'm not touching this right now. It's 11. We didn't get that liquidity sweep we wanted. It's time to hang it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Come on, Levy, let's full port shorts. I know you want it.
They are nice though, and more than macro.
I'm in ES. I mean, if anyone want to join, be my guest.
We didn't clearly get a last, like in the last high of the buy side sweep. That's why I don't like it on NQ. It's not a full bearish SMT. Because you see how the high, like the liquidity sweeps are conflicting. You've got ES that has, I guess if we look at like the 1 minute, has the last buy side IRL, but with NQ
Yeah.
it's the middle candle, and then on ES the most recent last high took out NQ's middle candle.
Yeah, that's the only thing I hate about it.
It's like this one's
I
taking out
wish ES didn't do that. Yeah. I wish ES didn't do that.
That's weird. I'm gonna sit that one out, and it's 11. I think we'll kill the morning recording.